Yeah, good swing there, buddy. Okay, we need to start talking about your practice plan and how to practice. Okay, what club you got there?
Pitching wedge.
Pitching wedge. All right. So what are some important things about practice to you? When you come out here, what are you trying to accomplish? What do you want?
Replicate every swing, consistency.
Consistency.
Go in, put the same swing on each ball, and take my time.
Do we have to make 72 of the same swings out there?
Yeah, I mean, well, not the exact same swing.
Exactly.
It's every swing changes.
Little different, right? That's what I love about this game, is that every swing is a little different, right? So how many times do we hit? What'd you say that's pitching wedge?
Yeah.
That goes 140.
140, 150.
140, 150. How many times do we have exactly 145 to on a flat lie with no trouble and no consequences?
Very rarely.
Okay.
1 out of 1,000.
Yeah, 1 out of 1,000. So why do we practice 1,000 of one of the same shot?
You're right.
It doesn't make any sense, right? Okay, this is a big part of how you're going to get better. Okay, so I have kind of 3 main baseline rules that I want to give you right now about practice. Spacing, challenge, variability. So variability, that's kind of what we were just talking about.
Yeah.
Different, try to do something different like you would on the course every time. You know, we got a few different lies around here. We got some side hills. Use those. Okay, put it in a divot here once in a while. Find an awkward lie. Variability, okay? Different club every time too. Spacing. So spacing, we're talking about actual like time spacing. So my general rule, 20 balls in 20 minutes. I can get more out of 20 balls in 20 minutes than most people do in an hour because I follow these guidelines and I know how to practice. Okay, so there's 2. Number 3 is, what did I say, challenge. So how do we add challenge to our practice? How do we add intensity and consequences to our practice?
You know, we could pick little spots on the range. Aim for little spots.
And if you miss them, then you give yourself make it a game. Make it like a point system. It's a point system out there. It's a stroke. You know, so you lose something when you do something poorly out here, just like you should do out there. You know, we're never going to be able to perfectly replicate the way our practice. And dude, this is the way you're going to transfer that little move of, you know, kind of pull cut into, you know, a variable skill that you can use out there. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll talk about this, and I'm going to kind of set up a couple stations here real quick for you. And we're going to have some kind of transfer practice, and then we're going to do something else called what I call block practice.